Esports is the most extreme activity done with a keyboard, but the keyboard wasn't designed for gaming. Professionals in their early 20s are suffering frequent neck, back, and wrist issues. If they're already experiencing health problems, what will be like in 10 years? And for the millions playing computer games every day? Hi, I'm Luis Daylor Sevilla, founder and CEO of Digma, former Fnatic League of Legends head coach and 2 times EULCS champion. Looking for solutions for my players, I discovered that the keyboard that we use for gaming hasn't changed in 30 years, and that's way too long. During the last 14 months, we've been prototyping and testing with users. We've created a beautiful, premium quality mechanical gaming keyboard designed to improve performance, health, and comfort. It's called Race. A normal keyboard forces the wrist to bend towards the pinky side of your hand. Race's split design allows you to rotate both halves so you reduce the strain in wrist and shoulders. Race has a full aluminum body, the connectors and joints are magnetic, and the cable gives you an extra USB port. You can create multiple fully configurable layouts and toggle instantly between them, and assign to each group of keys a different backlight color. And the underglow will give you visual feedback when you change layouts. Race has the functionality of a full-size keyboard in a much smaller footprint. It's crazy that we use both thumbs for only one massive key. Race has 8 thumb keys. They are comfortable to use because they are in the area where our thumbs naturally rest. Race is a keyboard and a gaming keypad in the same device. You can detach any side and the other will still work. This way you can have more space for your mouse while you're gaming. It's comfortable for both left and right-handed gamers. There are many kinds of mechanical switches. All Race switches are hot swappable, so you can easily pull them out and replace them whenever you want. Regular keyboards bend the wrist up, creating strain over time. Palm rests are needed to raise the wrist, making a neutral angle. If you want a premium quality mechanical gaming keyboard with a beautiful design that can help improve performance, health, and comfort, support us. Let's make Race a reality.
Today, there are few products that address the health, comfort, and prevention of ailments associated with playing video games. Ailments that can affect a gamer's ability to play, often leading to a steep decline in the quality of their gaming sessions. Well, not anymore. IceHawk Gaming presents the Middle Finger Gaming Gloves. The Middle Finger Gaming Gloves were designed to provide the benefits of better gameplay without the pain of typical health issues and skill degradation. For blister protection, the gloves have gel padding along the inside of the middle finger and thumb. They also have compression-like material surrounding the thumb to improve circulation and alleviate thumb joint issues. A removable thumb splint is also included. The gloves are constructed with the same material used on high-end batting gloves, giving the user unparalleled grip and dexterity. Vented underlays are designed to provide airflow throughout the gloves, making slippage from sweat a non-factor. The removal of material from all fingers but the middle finger allows the feeling of skin on the controller gamers are used to. This design allows the dexterity, accuracy, control, and responsive feel they are accustomed to. Finally, for the first time, the Middle Finger Gaming Gloves allow comfort and control to coexist.
Striker Virtual Recoil. Realistic recoil for the virtual environment. Originally developed for military training, the Striker VR electronic recoil system provides the most realistic simulation possible in a virtual environment. The system operates with an electromagnetic linear drive, an innovative design that converts energy directly to linear motion. Striker VR is easily programmable to deliver custom movements in the linear drive to produce changes in weight distribution, vibration, and shock. These programmable functions combine to simulate customized haptic feedback, allowing the user to experience simulation of various weapon types. In the 21st century, the first-person shooter is the most commercially viable video game genre, as well as being the genre that has taken more market share of any other genre in the gaming industry. The rebirth of the virtual reality industry brings a revolutionary new experience to the FPS genre. Striker VR is a key component to the new immersive FPS experience. Striker Virtual Recoil, the most rugged and realistic electronic recoil system available, is prepared to deliver a heightened sensory experience for the virtual gaming world.